Okay, this is a tutorial to show how to make text fall and bounce so you can have like a heavy solid feeling. So what I've got here is a ground plane that is just a rectangle drawn on a layer that's locked, and let's just name that ground. And then we've got text, and that's this that I just drew, right, just using the text tool. First frame is ready to go, but before we do anything else, let's grab this whole thing and go to modify, convert to symbol, and say that this is heavy text or whatever. It's a movie quote symbol. Now I'm going to go to frame 20 and hit F6 again to drag that back in. Hold down my shift key and my down arrow and just get this to touch the ground, and pick on my first frame and show you on the properties panel how I can go to motion tween. And what I want to see here is, let's just drag this up here. I want to see if I play this how this thing's going to fall. It's pretty slow and controlled, so let's do it again. So what I'm going to do is add something to it. We'll stop for a second, and on the first frame of the motion tween I'm going to go to ease in to full speed. So ease is set to -100. We'll hit play again. Okay, so it speeds up, it accelerates like gravity. So it drops, and my frame rate is 20 frames per second. I'm just going to slow that down to 12, and we'll test it again. Control test movie, or Control Enter. Okay, that's not too bad. That feels okay. So I'm going to go to frame next couple frames over and make it bounce back up. So let's say right here I'll hit F6, and another couple frames, F6, and let's say a couple more, F6, F6. Now in every other one of those, I'm going to bring it back up. So here I'm going to bring it back up in a bounce. I want it to bounce up there. Here it's going to be down. I want it to bounce up here again. Here it's going to be down. And I'll put a motion tween on all those. And let's just play it. But not quite right, because here you need to ease in and ease out. So here it's going to bounce back up, right? When it bounces back up, I want to ease out of full speed. And here it's going to ease back into full gravity. And here it's going to ease back out. And here it's going to ease back in. And let's just test it. Testing this out. Not bad. And then we probably need to show it all the way to the end. So let's hit F5. And let's just play this. And with some sound effects and a little bit of editing, you can make that look a lot better.